Hello students, the Karnataka mock allotment has just been announced and we're covering that as we speak because the data has just come to us and I'm going to talk to you about what's happening on the mock allotment. You must know that when a mock allotment happens, you can actually change it till the 20th morning 9 a.m. But this typically for government quota, for the general merit category, normally sticks. It possibly goes down because if all the students haven't participated, it might go down a bit. But that's what it is. So what we're going to talk of is general merit quota, government quota is what we're talking. We'll also talk of private quota, management quota as we move along. But let me show you what exactly is happening here. And you must know that we're creating this as a series of content, and this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRMIST in Tamil Nadu in Chennai. Now let's talk of what's happening in Karnataka because it's just been announced. The general merit, and this is by the way mock. We're talking of the mock, right? And the UGC NEET allotment mock is what we're talking of. This typically sticks, as I told you, but with one condition, that if some students participate not in the mock but later, then this might actually come down also. But what we understand is for the government quota, the changes are very, very minimal, right? So the first one is Bangalore Medical College, which is in KR Road in Bangalore, general merit category, allotted. The fees is 64,350. The rank at this point in time, which is allotted, is up to 1833 also, students got a seat. Then Mysore Medical College, again 64,350 the fees. 5788 rank also. The last highest closing rank is what they got a seat at this point in time. See, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Sciences, Bengaluru, 6307 got a seat. Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, 7124. Remember, this is a private college. So some of them are private colleges also, but they have a government quota. And what we're talking about is a government quota where the fee is also predetermined. What is the highest rank at which you got it? ESA Medical College, Rajajinagar, Bangalore, 9966 got a seat. MS Rao Medical College, MSR Nagar, MSR Reddy, Bangalore, 11,028 rank also got a seat. Karnataka Institute of Medical Sciences, Vidyanagar, Hubli, 11,253 got a seat. Sri Jagadguru Sri Shivaradhishwara Medical College, Mysore, 12,456 also got a seat. Mandya Institute of Medical Sciences, District Hospital Mandya, 17,516 got a seat. And you can also see the fee here. Some of them are 64,000, some of them are 1,53,571. So that's the only difference that you're dealing with. I think when it's public, it is 64,000, and when it is private, it is 1,56,000 or 1,53,000, which is what you're seeing. Then Mandya Medical College, 17,516. Kempegoda Institute of Medical Sciences, 18,358 got a seat. It's a private college, of course. Vijayanagar Institute of Medical Sciences, Cantonment Bellary, 20,613 rank also got a seat. Jawaharlal Medical College, Nehru, Belgaum, 21,274 got a seat. Shimoga Institute of Medical Sciences, Sagar Road, Shimoga, 23,120 got a seat. Then Belgaum Institute of Medical Sciences, B.R. Ambedkar, Belgaum, 23,126 got a seat. Then you actually have Hassan Institute of Medical Sciences in Hassan, 23,693 also got a seat. And the fees is, you also see 64,350 to 1,50,000 is what we're dealing with. And because the fee is lower, typically there is not much of a change that is done post mocks also, unless a fresh batch of students start coming in and participating in the counseling process. Then you have Father Muller Institute of Medical Sciences, 25,148 got a seat. Vaidehi Institute of Medical Science and Research Center in Bangalore, 27,041 got a seat. Moving further down, Gulbarga Institute of Medical Sciences, 28,530 also got a seat. ESA Medical College, Sedam, Gulbarga, 29,686 got a seat. SDM College of Medical Science and Hospital, Manjushri Nagar, Dharwad, 32,655 got a seat. KS Hegde Medical Academy, Mangalore, 34,491. Chamaraj Nagar Institute of Medical Sciences, survey number 124, Chamaraj Nagar, 38,945. Jai Jagadguru in Devangere, 40,280. Sri Jagadguru Murugarajendra Medical College, Devangere District, 40,280. KH Patil Institute of Medical Sciences, Gadag at 41,241 you get a seat. This is in Gadag. BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, BGS Health and Education, Kengeri, Bangalore, 41,737 also got a seat. Raichur Institute of Medical Sciences, Raichur, 43,120 got a seat. AJ Institute of Medical Sciences in Mangalore, 45,376 got a seat. Bidar Institute of Medical Sciences, Bidar, 46,827 rank also got a seat. Nandi Medical College and Research Institute, Chikaballapura, 47,973 got a seat. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Institute of in Bangalore, 49,045 got a seat. Kodagu Institute of Medical Sciences, Madikeri, 49,462 got a seat. Then you have Yennepoya Medical College in Mangalore, 50,394. Kopal Institute of Medical Sciences in 52,004. Moving further down, Karbar Institute of Medical Sciences, Uttar Kannada, 53,776 got a seat. PES Institute of Medical Sciences, Electronic City, Bangalore, 57,236. Chikmagaluru Institute of Medical Sciences, Chikmagaluru, 58,516. Shamunaru Shivashankarappa Institute of Medical Sciences, Jnanashankara, 63,402 got a seat. Haveri Institute of Medical Sciences, Haveri, 63,822 got a seat. Yadgiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Yadgiri, 66,032 got a seat. Chandrama Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Education in Kanakapura Road, 66,108 got a seat. Adi Chunchagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Baby Nagar, Bellur, 66984 got a seat. Chitradurga Institute of Medical Sciences, Chitradurga, 68,263. Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Sciences, 69,205. MBJ Medical College and Research Hospital in Kolatur, 72,323. Siddhaganga Medical College and Research Institute, Tumkuru, 72,439. BGS Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore, 74,130. Mahadevappa Rampura Medical College, Mahadevappa, 74,662. Saptagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, 77,205. I'm not talking of the fee at this point in time because, as I told you, the simple thing is that most of these are between 65,000 to 1,50,000. All these seem to be private, so that's where you're standing at this point in time. Nijalingappa Medical College and Research Center, Bagalkot, 78,569 got a seat. Subbaya Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga, 73,321 got a seat. The Oxford Medical College and Hospital Research Center, 82,588. East Point College of Medical Science and Research, Bangalore, 83,846. Akash Institute of Medical Science and Research, 84,400. Sri Basaveshwara Medical College and Hospital, 84,532. Navodaya Medical College, Navodaya Nagar, Raichur, 85,612. Sri Chamundeshwari Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, 86,411. Khaja Banda Nawaz Institute of Medical Sciences, Gulbarga, 87,025. K. Venkatramana Gowda Medical College and Hospital, 88,449. Alvas Institute of Medical Sciences Research Center, DK, 88,451. Sridevi Institute of Medical Sciences Research Center, Tumkur, 88,886. Srinivasa Institute of Medical Science Research Center, Bangalore, 90,743. SR Patil Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Bagalkot, 91,411. Kannachur Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, University Road, Bangalore, 91,589. Jagadguru Gangadhar Mahaswamigalu Medical College, Dharwad, 91,769. By the way, this fees is 6,09,000, so it's all allotted is what we're talking about. The last thing, Al Amin Medical College Administrative Block, Vijaypur, 91,792. Farooq Academy of Medical Education Hospital and Research Institute, 92,286. And GR Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Mangalore, 93,679. So what we have, but for this one, which is 6,09,000, I'm surprised about that. But what we have at this point in time is that the 67 colleges, that 68 colleges that are out there, the government quota, which is the government fees is what we call it at this point in time, what we call as MBBS government, and we're talking of general merit category is what we're talking about. This is the mock. Remember, what we're talking of is mock. The mock data is already allotted. You actually have time till the 20th, 9 o'clock in the morning to change if you want to make any change, because after that the changes are not allowed. And what you should be doing right now is to look at this data to understand what your chances are. If you want to make any changes, do it right now. And because once you finished it on the 20th, after that you cannot make any more changes, because it's only one-time changes what the Karnataka mocks allow. So look at this data. We'll also do for the private colleges also as we move along. Look out for that data also. We'll do it during the day. And then if you need any help, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out. And I said this is a series that we're doing. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRMSD, which is based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. Namaste.